Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This students today we will learn about for cursor for loop. Okay, I have already created a file here. If you could see, this is I'm creating an EMP of person row type, and I'm saying I'm putting everything into it from EMP. Well, basically EMP number is 7369. We have done this person row type, so it's self-explanatory, and I'm printing it out. So if I run it, it will exactly tell me it's a Simith. But if I do it again, but this time I don't say EMP number, rather I say department number. Okay, is 20, and I try to run it again. Now there's a problem because it's telling me it's a lot more rows in it. Because now if you're fetching more than a required number of rows, because if before it was just a one row, one tuple, and you were executing that, you were accessing that using your em row type variable, not a problem. But now it's accessing a lot of things, so you need a cursor which will store all these things in an active set and then go through the tuple. Getting me? Now if you do what, you have the em, which is actually the row type guy. Okay, now your creating cursor c1 is basically you are trying to get everything into the em from emp while department was 20, so it will return many rows. And now you are creating a cursor c1, then you're not opening the cursor, you're not fetching the cursor, you're not closing the cursor, so you're doing nothing, but it's all done by the for. This is the for, that's what's called the for cursor. So for cursor does what? It implicitly declares a row type. This fc is of person row type, of row type of home, the tuples which this query returns. Okay, now fc is a row type of that. Em is itself a row type of the emp, okay, table. Now this is fc is the row type of the here of the tuples which is returned by this query. Okay, number second, it opens the cursor. Okay, number third, it fetches the row from the cursor for each loop iteration. You know, every loop iteration it fetches one row, but from the active set. Okay, and fourth, actually it closes the cursor when all rows have been processed. You don't have to close, it does it automatically for you. Okay, so this is working wonderfully well if we have our select statement returning many rows. Okay, so if I save it, it's already being saved, you know, I have to only execute it. It's getting me all those guys. Okay, if I it again, now I have done one more thing, that's I put up here fc.cell. You can put up because we have all the guys here. Okay, we have everything of that, because I said here select asterisk. I could have said select ename or sal and job, only those guys, but I have put asterisk, means everything is into the em. Okay, does it make sense what I'm saying? And here I'm printing fc.ename and fc.sal. Okay, you can do that also. So now if you run it, it will give you two guys, it will give you two things. You could have get everything. Okay, that's it for the cursor for loop.